Hi, my name is Leslie Moselle, and I'm from Tampa, Florida. And on behalf of Expert Village, this is Hair Accessories. Bobby pins. Bobby pins, although they're not always used as an everyday accessory, they are an important hair accessory that are used in a lot of hairstyles, either if it's for updos or for just trying to get those stray hairs out of your face. What I'm going to show you today is the main use of bobby pins, which is usually for updos, like if your girls are going to a dance or you have that elegant gown you want to wear with a nice updo. So I have my bobby pins here, and just to start off, this is a way that some girls can actually use the bobby pins on an everyday basis, not always, but just to give that extra style in the front. You can take your bobby pin, which come in brown, black, depending on the color of your hair. Bobby pins are meant to be hidden, so if you want to get a nice look, you want to get it as close to your hair color as possible. That way they're not going to be as noticeable. So you just open the bobby pin. And bobby pins do come in multiple sizes. They do come in larger sizes for if you have thicker hair and your hair is harder to hold. So basically, you can just pin your hair back, and you can see, just take two bobby pins to pin your hair up like this. And then for the rest, you're going to get that traditional French twist look. So I'm going to take my bobby pins, and basically just grab all your hair, and use the bobby pins to pin it back. And the great thing about bobby pins is because you can't see them, you can use as many as you want, and it doesn't really matter. It's that little secret that no one knows about, but gives your hair that extra hold. They do actually have decorative bobby pins these days with nice gemstones or diamonds on them, if you don't mind showing them. But that's the basic use of bobby pins. You get a great, nice look, and they're easy to use.